Just do what little you... Let's go. Who I am. Now, going, baby.
Hotels.com. Hotels.com. It's all in it.
Times where I don't want to, and they'll know that, but I don't care right now. And you know. Thank you. Cheers to the show, sweetie. I'll believe it. I'll delete it. Just don't give out my number. Oh my god, this is my other good song. When I think about the previous relationships we shared, it was awesome, but we lost it. It's not possible for me not to care. Collette. That is me. Oh, thank you. Hello. Intelligent. I am not intelligent, and luckily I don't need to be.
Hey, not me now.
In my head when this is all I get. Thank you. I guess I'm not. But come on, get you. Let's go. For mine, because I was not the favorite child. I was the ugly, chubby sister that didn't have a lot of friends, and she had 1.2 million views. Burrito or quesadilla. Road Warriors! Waiting on me. Yeah. And I want to finish my painting. Let's go. Yeah. DVD. Yeah. I've got a belly ring. Let's go. You know my dog.